I'd like to thank Moss and Stone for going through and sending me this crepe maker to go through and show you how to make crepes with this. I'm very excited about this. When I told my wife about it, she's like, I want to make crepes. So guess what? We got one. And here you can see the cord. Let's show you the unboxing. It's pretty simple. Comes with the crepe maker and the dish. And there's an off and on switch and a power cord. It's pretty compact. You're looking at 8 inches. And the cord is 27.5 inches. Heats in 30 seconds, which is really fast. So you'll be able to go through and create things really quickly. And you'll be able to go through and do that. They're going to 800 watts. And with all this information, let's go through and see the crepes. So we're going to go through and have my wife go through and make some and see how they are. And then taste how good they are. So that was the best one we made. We actually flipped it over and did the other side twice. And it just didn't seem like it cooked all the way through really well. This was the best one. It was really hard getting the batter all on it and getting it done. We did have some really nice ones, but these unfortunately were fried in a pan. Unfortunately for the crepe maker, it didn't really hit our expectations and it had a lot of problems. It just kept burning them or not burning them quick enough, and it was hard to get the proper batter in it. I think I'll pass on this one, but crepes were good.